Welcome to Savasana, or corpse pose. This is a time to relax and let go of all tension in the body and mind. Find a comfortable place to lie down on your back. You can place a pillow under your knees and another under your head if you need to. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. As you exhale, allow your body to relax even more. Begin to scan your body from your toes to your head. Notice any areas of tension and see if you can release it. Let your toes relax, your feet relax, your calves relax, your thighs relax, your hips relax, your abdomen relax, your chest relax, your shoulders relax, your arms relax, your hands relax, your neck relax, your face relax, your jaw relax, your tongue relax, your eyes relax, your forehead relax. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Notice the rise and fall of your chest as you breathe in and out. There is no need to change your breath in any way, just observe it. As you breathe in, feel your body expand with breath. As you breathe out, feel your body contract with breath. Continue to breathe and relax. Let go of any thoughts or worries that come into your mind. Simply observe them and let them go. There is no need to judge them or try to change them. Just let them come and go like clouds in the sky. Now, bring your attention to your surroundings. Notice the sounds around you. Notice the smells around you. Notice the sensations of your body against the ground. Simply observe your surroundings without judgment. Continue to breathe and relax. Let go of any thoughts or worries that come into your mind. Simply observe them and let them go. There is no need to judge them or try to change them. Just let them come and go like clouds in the sky. You can stay in Savasana for as long as you like. When you are ready to come out, take a few deep breaths and slowly open your eyes. Wiggle your fingers and toes and take a few moments to adjust to your surroundings. Savasana is a great way to relax and de-stress. It can be helpful for reducing anxiety, improving sleep, and increasing energy levels. I hope you enjoyed this guided meditation.